drew borders that you feared to overcome. You always stopped one step before freedom. You wanted to cross the other side of the line. But the unknown scared you a little. So what was that boundary? Was it time? Was it love? Was it madness? Was it passion? Maybe it was the fear of not living the moment. Since childhood, I've had that question on my mind. Can I come back to this day in the future? Will I be able to touch these magical moments again? Today I understand that true freedom is to design beyond time, designing future classics without ever thinking about the concept of time, because freedom is timeless.